Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know by the title, this is a DIY project on how I got this wall. Like, it's real pretty, right? Like, so pretty. So it's fairly easy, it's not hard, but it's a lot of labor. A lot of labor, a lot of time, and I'll say it's a lot of coins too. It's 2 foam boards with like $200 worth of flowers. No bullshit. So yes, y'all will be seeing this background in a lot of my videos because I'm just not about to do this wall for 1 or 2 videos. Like, y'all about to see how much time and money to put into this. Like, so yeah. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you do, turn your notifications on, and give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, we're about to get right into it. So yeah, I got this TriFold board from Walmart for $9.97 and some rice. My man's like rice. And I got all of these flowers from Dollar Tree. Don't go to Walmart and get your flowers, like go to Dollar Tree. And I spent $71 worth of flowers. Yeah. And I hope I have enough because sometimes I'll be having to go back and get more, which I'll see. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. Before I start this plucking process, I need my mimosa. So what I do is I take a batch, pull them apart, and I put them in a pile by color. And I also take the green leaves off because I use the green leaves. And then you just keep repeating the process until you've taken all the flowers off. So yeah, I'm gonna speed through this part because it's time consuming.
You gonna leave, huh? You gonna leave?
The very last one, oh my god, y'all. This process takes about 20 minutes depending on how many flowers you have. So right here you see me putting the flowers by color in bags. That just makes it easier to when you're about to put the flowers on the board. You could just pick out of each bag a couple of flowers so you won't have as many colors in one spot. Like, you can mix it up better this way. So now you just want to take your board and lay it out.
Squatchy squat.
Me, I like to do it in sections. So I'm gonna start with this little wing first. And what you want to do is pre-pluck your pole, like pre-poke your holes. And so I just grabbed like the little stem that came out the flowers and I just poke like. So what you want to do is like just grab a couple flowers of each color. You want to take your hot glue gun and you just want to start sticking. Like me, I poke the hole in the back.
Oh, this is so soft. I can run this thing up with. And you want to get them close. You want to get them close, but not too close.
So as y'all can see, this has been a very tedious 2 days for me. Like, and to tell y'all, I have done 4 of these. I've done a red one, a one with a blue accent, and I've done 2 of this kind. And you'll see like how it stands on top of each other for my backdrop. It's real bomb. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how it looks in my vanity. It's a nice little cute decor backdrop. As you can see, it makes my pictures pop really, really perfect. Like, I just fit in like I'm the flower. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.